If you want to add a multicolor text on your video by using CapCut, you can easily do it very short amount of time. So let's see how we can do this thing. So this is one of the video or number of video clips on my project. Now I want to add a multicolor text here. So to do this thing, at first we need to go text tab. So I'm going to click text, and then here it is showing couple of options are there. From here we have to choose like text effect, this one. I'm going to click here and it will be expanded, and here we will see different types of effects are there, and we have to I scroll down till we find multicolor. We just when we find multicolor, we just need to click here, and the multicolor types of text are there. So there are different styles are there. You can choose any of this and then you can apply the effect. So I'm going to use this rainbow type of effect here, and we just need to click, not click, basically drag and drop it on the timeline. Here I want to put it, so I'm going to keep it over here. Now here on my video I'm going to see like that. Right now the text is not visible, so what we can do this thing, we can select this thing and then we can come to text basic, and then if we scroll down a little bit we'll find background. We can click here so that the background will be there. We can choose any color from here, but here I'm using this black default color. Now let's change the color, not the color, text. So to change the text, basically we just need to come to the basic under text, and here we'll see default text is there. We just need to remove it and we need to type our own text. Like for example, I'm going to type FewSteps, which is my channel name, and here I see the text is changed, and right now it's a multicolor text. And once we are happy, then we can actually save it, or we can export the file from here, from this video basically. And if we want to increase the size, we can also increase the font size of this text also. That's it. In this way we can easily add a multicolor text in a video by using CapCut.